Welcome back to Science with Greg. Today we're going to be making a furnace.
Does 15-year-old cider brew in a while?
Oh my god.
There's a roulette table.
Yeah?
Mind blown. This you should angle grind smooth so we don't cut ourselves when we use the furnace.
See, it's never as easy in reality, is it?
No, because you keep changing your mind.
Right, in it goes, into the cider. We've got this sand from Tesco.
Go around the corner.
Huh?
Oh, you're a bit fine.
Seb, you're taking so much out.
You just decide things arbitrarily. I'm looking at the lights. A little bit more.
Oh my god, Seb.
Well, because it's what the recipe is, you fuck.
That's lower than the line.
All of the roots make it not sit.
The roots?
Look at this. No, good. Right. I am a scientist. You wet. It will take years to dry. I cut myself on your
Oh, really? Okay.
It's really dangerous.
I've got your plaster.
Thank you. What a big cut. The slice itself is tiny, isn't it? Could you find anything better than this? Right. Bit of
wood. Right, so the second layer has been added. Well done. We'll give that 5 minutes.
No, it goes.
I'm Thompson. I'm paranoid because what happened last time.
I had to come all the way here from my house to pour a bucket because he doesn't know.
Yeah.
It's very gravelly compared to the other side. I can feel a lot of particles that are not going to mix in.
That's fine. It's not fine at all.
And I've got open wounds. But I'm the one putting my hand in here, not him, because he's scared of dirt.
If we welded Nick's bucket to this, it's going to be furious. Why is that hurting my penis? Maybe we need it to dry and it'll slightly shrink and then it'll come out. That's how science works. It's fine. Wow.
Acting.
So now we just let this dry. So I'm going to drill on an angle so that the air can flow in a spiral inside, because if it just goes directly in, it'll just cause a hot spot right where the air intake is. Your genuine reaction to touching the Plaster Paris? What do you reckon?
Really?
Yeah. Push the bottom with one finger. It's really soft, isn't it?
It is.
You can see there's this line around the edge. We did it 2 different times. Like push there and then push above it and feel the difference.
Yeah, that's solid. But that's
like really soft, isn't it?
I guess because we did it in layers, the mix must have just been different.
It must have been really
Is that the one you tried to do? It doesn't necessarily need to be strong, just fire resistant.
Went through like butter. Oh yeah. Like look at the angle in there as well, so.
Ooh,
Like, look at that.
that's gonna convect.
It is. And have it going down a bit, you know? Oh, look at this, is bloody perfect, Sam. I can't believe this.
Some might say we are professionals.
And something's gonna go wrong. Nasty use this stuff. It's like I'm doing a running commentary to nobody. Oh, the camera is on. I'm gonna need a help, Seb.
Oh no. Beautiful.
Yes. Oh, fuck.
That's pretty good.
Yeah? Try and... That's gonna melt though. Keep going. Let's add more of an angle. Alright, don't get too much slag in there. Well done.
There we go.
Well done, mate. That was quite epic.
It was intense.
Look at the way it's shaking. Holy f***, I burnt my hand off. What were those like imperfections in the bottom? Oh, it's gravel.
Not the purest, is it?
No,
look at the sand.
I know. Oh, god damn it.
Look at them. How heavy would you say it is?
Oh, this is good. A good guess. I would say 120 grams, 150 grams. Oh, 320. That's a lot.